back to my channel and Happy New Year! Oh my god, it is 2021 and I am so excited to be back doing videos for you guys. I'm Natasha Charmaine, and if you are new here, welcome, and for those of you that have been on my channel before, welcome back. Today's video is an unboxing for a gift that came late for Christmas. I feel so fortunate and so happy that my honey was able to get me the gift that I really wanted. Unfortunately, it came late. So basically what happened was it came in the mail and I wanted to open it and he wouldn't let me open it. So I think what he wanted basically was to be able to give me the gift himself. So what he did was he took the entire package. He didn't even bother to take the gift out of the package. He just did the entire package and then he wrapped it all up, and here it is. And so I'm going to open it. So doing an unboxing today, so I'm hoping that you guys stick around and see what it is, even though it already says it clearly in the thumbnail. But I'm excited to open it with you guys. I don't know really what to expect. I've never had one of these before. And with that said, let's get into this video. I feel like a kid in a candy store. This is so much fun. All right, so here we have it. Square box. Clearly, as it came from like the FedEx truck. All right. And because it's such sensitive stuff, the tag says, this caption has been sealed with pilfer proof tape. I'm not sure what that is. But it says, if the seal is broken, check contents before accepting. That's how fragile our merchandise is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, oh wow. Oh wow. Alright, let me stop saying oh wow and actually open it. We've got another. What is this, like adult proof? Yeah. Alright. Gosh. I'm sure many of you who've already gotten this item already know what to expect, but this is my first one and I'm really excited. I am so super excited. So we've got the PowerShot G7X. I have done so much research before starting my channel, and I've noticed that all of the successful YouTubers and content creators use this camera. And it was the #1 item on my list. And so I had to have it. Tripod. Oh wow. I didn't think it came with the disc, but it does. With a memory card. Very good. 32 gigabytes. And, okay, this is the battery pack. So basically your creator's kit for the G7X Mark II comes with the camera itself. It comes with a 32 gigabyte memory card. It comes with a battery, and it comes with a tripod. So let's open this baby up and see what she looks like. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, did I tell you guys? Oh my goodness. Okay. Also comes with a string so you can wrap it around your wrist and hold it. Self-identifiable. And then inside it comes with what looks like another battery. And this looks like your charger. So it looks like I have 2 batteries because I have the package that comes with the insurance. Yeah, so it's like the whole kit. Alright, so here is the camera itself. Isn't she beautiful? Wow. And here we have the G7X camera. You have won. I've always wanted to play Vanna White, sorry. This is gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. Canon zoom lens 4.2. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Take a look. For those of you who are looking to get this camera, you gotta get it. It's so super slick. It's gorgeous. And let's try her out. Do I look legit or what? I am a content creator. Can you tell? I love this. I'm in awe. I love this. It also comes, of course, with like any technical thing. It comes with your handbook manual. So I have a lot to learn about the settings and all that this camera can do. And I'm sure it's going to be able to do a lot. I'm going to have to learn how to upload my videos and my photos to my computer from it, so on and so forth. But in the meantime, I just really wanted to share this with you guys. I'm super excited about this. Let's see if I can do a quick video with it and then come back and talk to you through the camera so you can see the clarity and everything compared to using my cell phone. So give me 1 sec. All right, there we go. So, just an FYI, I'm actually using my camera. Look at the clarity on this bad boy. I am loving this. I am loving this so much. You guys got to really check this out if you don't already have one of these cameras, and I know half of the world already has it. I'm just late to the party. But it's all good because now I'm doing my thing. Anyways, I just wanted to share with you guys my camera. And I'm super excited about using this and going forward and making beautiful content creation for you guys. And for those of you who haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. I'd like to grow my community. I'm here for you guys. If there's anything you want to see that I haven't posted, let me know. I can start posting that stuff. You know, I'm that girl. I can be that girl. And also be sure to hit the like button. Hit the like button if you like this. I think that I was helping you guys out, you know, being a little informative as much as I could. But I do have to, again, learn more about this camera. And I'm hoping that I can just do really good with it. So with that said, Happy New Year to everyone. I hope all your dreams come true. And thank you for watching this video. And I will see you in the next one using my G7X camera. Bye.